Let's go on to the C4. Now this is a very advanced compressor right here, and it also uses a lot of CPU. This, just like the C1, has some fantastic presets. If you look here, we've got all kinds of stuff to work with here. I stick with the low level enhancer because I like to use it on bus stems. Bus stems would be me bussing a bass, maybe a kick, something really low into the same bus in Pro Tools, and I'll put this on there to kind of smooth things out. So low level enhancer is something I find very, 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 very useful. We've got our opto mastering and our electro mastering function right below it, which is good to put on mixes sometimes. Now for the pop vocal and the vocal, I find both of these very, very useful on vocals. There's our pop vocal and there's our vocal right there. I find those both very, very useful. As far as the voiceover goes, I find that that just is way, way, way too much compression. I get a really squished sound right there. Similar to the C1, we've got our threshold controls right here, but what makes the C4 unique as to the C1 is that we can compress the different frequencies of the EQ band, whereas the C1 we're compressing the whole signal. So here, right here's our 80, as you can see right here, we're right here at 80. I can move it. It's going to take me to 96, down to 70. Let's keep it at 80. What we're doing is we're actually compressing 80 Hertz. We're compressing that part of the signal right here versus compressing the whole signal from low to high. We're just compressing right around 80. Right here's our mid-range. We're just going to compress the mid-range. We're just going to compress the high range right here, which makes the C4 so versatile. That way we're not compressing the whole signal, but we're compressing the different frequencies of the signal, and we can really zoom in on some problematic things where we have problems with different frequencies. Very versatile, very, very, very cool. Let's go ahead and bypass that.